Hi there, I'm Andy Hillier, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Watermelon Sugar, the new song by Harry Styles. It's a really easy song to play. I'm going to give you two versions of it though. I'm going to give you an easy version using open chords, and I'll also give you some bar chords as well. And there's also a little riff that goes through the chorus, which sounds pretty cool as well. I'm going to teach you all that. What I think of it, if you could subscribe to my channel, which is Andy Hillier, give me a like on this video and some comments in the comment section. Any songs you want to learn, put them in the comment section and I'll try and get round to doing a video for you. Okay, Watermelon Sugar. Let's do the easy version first. So, it sounds like this. So that's the chords without any rhythm. The first chord is a D minor 7 chord. We're going to put our first finger on the E and the B strings on the first fret. So squeezing both those strings down, and then place your second finger on G2, and you're going to play from the D string downwards. And that's a D minor 7 chord. The next chord is A minor 7. Your first finger is going to go just on the B1, and second finger on D2, and you're going to play from the A string this time. To get to the next chord is a really easy change because you leave your first and second fingers down, but just put your third finger on A3, and that creates a C chord. And the fourth and final chord that we need for the song is a G chord. Third finger E3, second finger on the E3 nearest to your face, and first finger on A2. And that's a G chord. Each one lasts for 4 beats or a bar. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to put a bit of rhythm to it, you could do this. So for that, I'm going down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. So down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so that's how you play the chords in the open position. If you want to do it as bar chords, we've got the D minor 7, which I'll put my first finger on A5, and bar across all the rest of the strings, so A, D, G, B and E strings. Second finger on B6, third finger on D7. So that's D minor 7. Next chord, A minor 7, second finger on E3 nearest to your face, third finger on D, G and the B strings on the 5th fret, and you mute off the A string with your second finger. That's A minor 7. Third chord, C chord. Your third finger stays in the same place across D, G and the B strings on the 5th fret, and your first finger goes to A3. And the fourth and final chord, the G chord, normal bar chord. First finger across the 3rd fret, across all the strings. Second finger on G4, third finger on A5, little finger on D5. And that's a G chord. So we've got the D minor 7, A minor 7, C, and G. And you can put that same rhythm to it. There's also a little riff that goes through the chorus. It sounds like this. Okay, this funky little riff, it goes A5, and then A8, A7, A5, A5, and the rhythm goes. The next bar is exactly the same, but it moves the first note to an E5, so you got. Then the third bar goes to E8, A8, A7, E8, E8, so you got. And the last bar, A5, and then E3, E5, A3, and then another A3. So it's sorry, 1, 2, 3. So put the whole line together nice and slowly. It goes like this: 3, 4. up to speed. And that's the song. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video of mine. If you have, if you could subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate that. Give me a like, watch some of my other videos. Any requests for songs, put it in the comment section down below. Or any comments, just put it in the comment section down below. It really helps me out. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching this. I've been Andy Hillier, and hopefully I'll see you next time.